Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook application on your Android device. This method works directly through the main Facebook app, which gives you control over all your connected sessions, including Messenger. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This menu icon is your gateway to all the important settings and features within Facebook. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the privacy controls and account management options you'll need to access your login sessions. Next, tap on Settings from the expanded menu. This takes you into the main settings area where you can manage everything related to your Facebook and Messenger accounts. Now locate and tap on Account Center. The Account Center is Facebook's centralized hub that manages your connected accounts and security settings across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. It's where all your cross-platform login information is stored. In the Account Center, tap on Password and Security. This section gives you control over authentication methods, login alerts, and active sessions across all your devices. Next, tap on where you are logged in. This option displays a complete list of all devices and locations where your Facebook account, including Messenger, is currently active. You'll be able to see when and where each session started. Now tap on Select Devices to log out. This feature allows you to choose specific sessions you want to end rather than logging out of everything at once. From the list that appears, tap on the device where your Messenger is logged in. You'll see details about each device, including the device type, location, and the last time it was active. Select the one you want to log out from. Finally, tap Log Out to confirm. This will immediately end the Messenger session on that device, and you'll no longer receive notifications or have access to your messages on that particular device until you log back in. And that's it. You've successfully logged out from Facebook Messenger on your selected device through the Facebook app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.